I'm praying restoration. Father, in the name of Jesus, I decree and I declare over everyone here who has lost anything valuable, anything needed for destiny, from time to relationships to opportunities to fire, I decree right now, receive restoration. Receive restoration. My God, my God, my God. The Lord is opening my eyes. I'm seeing like rain falling, rain falling, rain falling in a desert. Receive restoration. Restoration of time, restoration of access, restoration of opportunity, restoration of fire. Open your mouth and pray it in 1 minute. I receive restoration.